Everything's going to be fine. Let me show you two things in the chart to support that. Are you ready? Let's go. We are staring at the weekly 6 EMA. I changed the number 10 to 6. We're looking at the 6. Anytime you have a big downturn, whenever the 6 EMA gets over where you had a previous hump, it's continuation to the upside. No bear markets ever had that situation happen where the 6 EMA got over a previous high. So imagine this is essentially like a line chart instead of a candle chart. So a big downturn, got over it. That was continuation to the upside. Another big downturn here in 2013. So this right here is 2013. Big downturn. Once price the 6 EMA got above, it was off to the moon. The first bear market, major bear market, look, none of these were higher, 0. And guess what? The first one, this one, got higher than that one. And guess what? That was the end of the bear market. Yeah, did you have a big wick low here? Absolutely. But still, it was the first height to show you that was the end of the bear market. And the next time that price got over that hump, it truly showed continuation to the upside. So using it almost like a range. So 2017, 2018, 2019 bear market, 18 to 19. This is about January 2019 right there. None of these humps got over the previous hump, right? So lower, lower. All right. And so you had a hump here, a little baby hump. So this one's kind of a shade of gray, but it worked. So I don't know how much I would trust this kind of signal in the future, but that's the only one it gave. It didn't give a true hump. But if you can imagine this as making an attempt up whenever price got above this, so the 6 EMA got above it, continuation. And guess what? That marked exactly that big candle there. This height, coronavirus, that's the only exception to the rule. Price got above there, so let's make a line and boom, continuation to the upside. Or you could do this one here. Boom, continuation to the upside. Did this height go over this one? It did not. Here's a bump. Did this height? So make a line here. Did this go over? Yes. So statistically, it's extremely likely that this gets continuation to the upside. All right, here's the second thing that I want to show you. I did make a Twitter post about this, so if you want to check me out on Twitter, flip your phones or get flipped off. You can't hit the like button if you don't flip your phones. And also what's going to help me out if you leave me a quick comment, whether it's a simple period without the tampon or yell something random like your favorite coin, Trias, Veracity, whatever you want to do. Let me know what coin you like. Here's my Twitter handle for those of you who want to go check out that JPEG and don't already follow me on Twitter. A monthly chart. Bitcoin's in a weekly uptrend until a week closes below those candles right there. So a week has to close below 43,700. Here's the second thing I wanted to show you. Let's go to the monthly chart. Again, I have this posted on Twitter, 2019. Watch this. So Bitcoin went into a very long consolidation. The time frame, 500 days. 1 month close above the range high. Okay, so the range high was marked by the highest monthly candle closures, right? And then you had 1 month, 2 months of hesitation. No continuation to the upside, right? Or almost none. And during those 2 months of hesitation, if you zoom in here, price crashed down and touched the monthly 10 EMA. Monthly range, that's one. Number 2, month closed above it. Number 3, 2 months of hesitation. Number 4, you touched the monthly 10. Monthly consolidation, 1. 2, a month closed above the range high, right? 3, 2 months of hesitation, check. And 4, I'm going to sneeze, woo. And 4, you touch the monthly 10. Next in that series, if this plays out similarly, was blast off. Will the beginning of January be hot? Maybe not. Let's count that month too. It's 300 days. Because this is a shorter consolidation, 300 days versus 488, the monthly 10 EMA was farther away from its orange line. And therefore, in order to come down to touch it, it could not close candles above the orange line like it did back. If there is a weekly closure below the $42,750 level, then I think the odds flip. I think you have a 60% chance that stuff will break down and Bitcoin will revisit perhaps its previous market cycle top, but Bitcoin's pretty far away from doing that. We don't have a weekly closure down there, not even close at this point. But if you see it like on a Sunday in the near future and price is close to 43K, well, you know, you can know that the odds might be ready to flip, and that's how I would be handling this right now. So if you want, I just let my patrons know when a good time to buy is. I mean, I see a lot of people on Twitter sphere saying, you know, what did you buy? What did you buy? I don't think mathematically and statistically this is a good time to be shopping, as weird as that sounds. Yes, buying red candles is good. It's better than chasing green candles, clearly, but it's far from optimized. And I'm really surprised to see so many crypto YouTubers indirectly or directly influencing the fact that people, hey, throw money on it now. It's Patreon, Discord. There's the link down in the description section, and I did move mostly fully over to Discord. So if you see the Patreon link, it'll link you to Discord, so you can go check that out. And we'll see y'all later. Y'all just got Timified.